future designers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sughra Fatma, a NIFT alumni and your design mentor. So guys, today we are going to see part B for fashion awards. Yes, I have covered fashion awards part 1. You can get the video in our, YouTube video section. Also, in fashion awards part 2, I'm going to cover awards, different, award for the different, label for the different categories. And also we are going to see some of the questions, which is related to the current fashion awards given in 2024. So in GK, in NIFT, in GK part, 15 question comes, okay? 15 क्वेश्चन आते हैं GK में NIFT एग्जामिनेशन के. उसमें different categories कवर की जाती है ना? Not only about design, painting, but also about fashion. और आज हम fashion awards के कुछ questions देखेंगे. So let's get started. The first question is, the British Fashion Awards recognize outstanding contribution in which industry segment? Okay, and your options are accessories, streetwear, overall fashion, textile, textile innovation. Okay, these are the options. The British Fashion Awards recognize outstanding contribution in which industry segment? एसेसरीज, स्ट्रीटवेयर, ओवरऑल फैशन या टेक्सटाइल इनोवेशन. चलिए देखते हैं इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा और उसके लिए क्या जस्टिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर एंड इट्स जस्टिफिकेशन. So the British Fashion Awards recognize outstanding contribution to the fashion industry. The awards celebrate the work of individuals and businesses from around the world. What awards are given? Outstanding Achievement Award recognizes an individual's creative contribution to the fashion industry. Women's Wear Designer Award recognizes designers who have created a new movement in British fashion. Special Recognition Award, which recognizes outstanding contribution to the fashion industry and a commitment to British excellence. Then Model of the Year Award recognizes a model who has made an outstanding contribution to the fashion industry. So these are the segments. Okay, इस segment category में awards दिए जाते हैं. Okay, so the answer would be overall fashion. ठीक है, जिसमें कि एसेसरीज भी आ जाएगी, स्ट्रीट वेयर भी आ जाएगा और टेक्सटाइल इनोवेशन भी आ जाएगा. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, who is the youngest winner of the CFDA Fashion Icon Awards? Okay, and the option are Zendaya, Rihanna, Lady Gaga, Kim Kardashian. Okay, who is the youngest? यहाँ पर लिखा है youngest winner of the CFDA. इसका CFDA का फुल फॉर्म जो कि मैंने कल आपको बताया था, काउंसिल ऑफ फैशन डिजाइनर्स ऑफ अमेरिका. ओके, इसका फुल फॉर्म है काउंसिल्स ऑफ फैशन डिजाइनर्स ऑफ अमेरिका, जो कि कल हमने कवर भी किया था और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन भी किए थे इस पे. ये किस यंगेस्ट विनर को मिला है CFDA फैशन आइकन अवार्ड? जेंडेया, रिहाना, लेडी गागा और किम कार्डिशियन. तो चलिए इसके लिए देखते हैं करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज जेंडेया. Zendaya is the youngest winner of the Council of Fashion Designers of America's CFDA Fashion Icon Award. She was 25 years old when she received the award in 2021. मतलब 2021 में मिला था और किस एज में मिला था Zendaya को? 25 years की एज में मिला था. Okay. Why Zendaya won? Let's see the explanation and the justification part of it. Zendaya is known for the bold red carpet style and support for emerging designers. She has a partnership with Tommy Hilfiger on a Tommy Zendaya capsule collection. The CFDA called her the red carpet reigning monarch. Okay, so these are the justification. अब हम यहाँ से ये भी ले सकते हैं, the CFDA called her the red carpet's reigning monarch. तो क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि which celebrity, okay, has also got the title of red carpet's reigning monarch. Okay, so for the CFDA, Council of Fashion Designers of America, and various options will be given, and the correct answer will be Zendaya. What does the ANDAM Fashion Award focus on? ANDAM Fashion Award focus on A. Promoting sustainable practices. B. Supporting young French designers. C. None of the above. D. Both the options A and B are correct. So this is also one of the format कि आपको चार options दिए होंगे जिनमें दो options will be either of the option will be correct and the last two C and D उसमें both ऐसे करके दिया होगा कि दोनों सही है या दोनों में से कोई एक सही है. ओके, या कोई भी सही नहीं है, इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, ऑप्शंस आ सकते हैं। तो लेट्स सी कि इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा। The ANDM Fashion Award recognizes and supports young fashion designers and focuses on helping them establish sustainable businesses in France. यहाँ से अंडरलाइन कर लेते हैं, sustainable businesses in France. The award is a launch pad for emerging designers, and a benchmark for the fashion industry. What the award does recognizes and supports young fashion designers, मतलब young fashion designer को support करता है ये award. Help designers establish sustainable businesses in France, and also contribute to the dynamism of the Paris fashion scene. Okay, a dynamism मतलब different change. ठीक है, then serves as a pathway for young designers to enter Paris Fashion Week, PFW, Paris Fashion Week. ठीक है, तो इसका सही ऑप्शन हो जाएगा इस क्वेश्चन का, बोथ द ऑप्शन ए एंड बी आर करेक्ट, क्योंकि ये सपोर्ट करता है यंग फ्रेंच डिजाइनर्स को भी और ये प्रमोट करता है सस्टेनेबल प्रैक्टिसेस को भी। विच अवार्ड डिड गुची विन फॉर इट्स एक्सेप्शनल एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन? ओके, यहाँ पर ब्रांड है, फेमस ब्रांड गुची, तो द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग कि कौन सा अवार्ड गुची को मिला था, ठीक है, फॉर इट्स एक्सेप्शनल एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन्स, मतलब कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड है ये। CFDA Media Award, Council of Fashion Designers of America Media Award, Fashion Excellence in Marketing Award, Clio Fashion and Beauty Award, or Vogue Advertising Honor. Okay, these are the options. Clio of Fashion and Beauty is the correct answer, और इसका explanation देख लेते हैं। Clio Fashion and Beauty, founded in 2013, honors a creative communication behind the business of style. Various creative communication से related means various way of communicating your brand, ठीक है, आपके brand की identity, what it stands for, वो क्या देता है ना, वो कैसे अलग है, एंड व्हाट इज ऑफरिंग टू द पीपल यूजर्स, राइट, उसको कैसे कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, जैसे एडवर्टीजमेंट के थ्रू कन्वे कर सकते हैं ना, कम्युनिकेट करते हैं। The program celebrates bold work that propels the industry forward, inspires a competitive marketplace of idea, and fosters meaningful connection within the creative community. Okay, social media is also a very most popular a platform where brands are nowadays communicating their brand identity. Okay, so the C option will be correct. Clue Fashion and Beauty. The PETA Fashion Award celebrate contribution in which area? Okay, the PETA Fashion Award celebrates contribution in which area? Animal free and cruelty free fashion, emerging designers, high end couture, or celebrity collaborations. The PETA Fashion Awards recognize contribution to the cruelty free fashion and promote awareness about animal rights. Designers and brands. The award honor designers and brands that prioritize compassion in the fashion industry. For example, Stella McCartney was celebrated in 2024 for her commitment to ethical practices and luxurious, sustainable vegan pieces. Okay, promoting the sustainable practices. Not only the sustainable material was incorporated into the designs of this fashion designer Stella, but also the practices were also very sustainable. So इसका आंसर होगा animal free and cruelty free fashion. Okay, the PETA Fashion Award celebrates contribution in which area? Animal free and cruelty free fashion. Which award presented by Karine Rothfeld recognizes a finalist for demonstrating outstanding creativity and innovation alongside, and which award presented by Karine Rothfeld recognizes a finalist for demonstrating outstanding creativity and innovation alongside an 200,000 Australian dollar prize? Karl Lagerfeld Prize, Emerging Designers, High-End Couture, or Celebrity Collaborations? These are the options. And the correct answer is Karl Lagerfeld. Okay, the Karl Lagerfeld Prize for Innovation will be presented by Karine Rothfeld, a renowned French editor and one of the Karl Lagerfeld's closest contemporaries. To win this award alongside the 200,000 Australian dollar prize, the recipient must demonstrate outstanding creativity and innovation. So the correct option would be Karl Lagerfeld Prize. Who won the Designer of the Year award at the Fashion Awards 2024? And these are the options: Lucia Prada, Jonathan Anderson, Rick Owens, and John Galliano. Okay. And the correct answer is option D, John Galliano. Okay. Who won the Designer of the Year award at the Fashion Award 2024? And the correct answer is John Galliano. Okay, now I'm going to, start the asking you the questions or showing you. Now I will be showing you the questions for the recent year, which is 2024 Fashion Awards. Okay, and let's see what is the correct option. Which designer was honored with the British Women's Wear Designer of the Year award in 2024? Okay, तो किस डिजाइनर को अवार्ड मिला था ब्रिटिश वुमेन्स वेयर डिजाइनर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड इन 2024? Simone Rocha, Roxanda, Adam, and Maximilian Davis. Okay, these are your options. So the correct option will be Simone Rocha, Roxanda, Adam, or Maximilian. The correct option is Simone Rocha. Okay, Simone Rocha is the correct option. She was the designer who was honored with British Women's Wear Designer of the Year. Who received the Model of the Year award at the Fashion Awards 2024? Who received the Model of the Year award at the Fashion Award 2024? And the option are Anouk Yi, Li Wen, Alex Consani, and Mona Togart. These are the options. And the correct answer is Alex Consani. Option C is the correct answer. Alex Consani received the Model of the Year award at the Fashion Awards 2024. Now let's see the next question. Which designer was awarded the British Menswear Designer of the Year in 2024? Which designer was awarded the British Menswear Designer of the Year in 2024? Option E, Craig Green, Grace Wales Bonner, Jonathan Anderson, and Kiko Costardino. These are the options. And the correct answer is Grace Wales Bonner. Okay. Was the designer who was awarded the British Menswear Designer of the Year in 2024. Now let's move on to the next question. Who was honored with the Outstanding Achievement Award at the Fashion Awards 2024? Options are Tom Ford, Remo Ruffini, Tyler Mitchell, or Stephen Jones. Tom Ford, Remo Ruffini, Tyler Mitchell, or Stephen Jones. And the correct answer is Tom Ford. Tom Ford was honored with the Outstanding Achievement Award at the Fashion Awards 2024. Let's see the next question. Which brand received the Brand of the Year award at the 2024 Accessories Council Excellence Awards? Option Coach New York, Cult Gear, Leroy, or Foster Grant. And the correct answer is Coach New York. Brand received the Brand of the Year award at the 2024 Accessories Council Excellence Award. So this is one of the another category, Accessories Council Excellence Award. Who was named Designer of the Year at the 2024 CFDA Council of Fashion Designers of America Fashion Awards? Option Prabal Guru, Willie, Rachel Scott, or Henry Zancourt. And the correct answer is option C, Rachel Scott is the Designer of the Year at the 2024 for CFDA Fashion Awards. Now let's see the next question. Which designer received the Hall of Fame award at the 2024 Accessories Council Excellence Award? Fern Malice, Prabal Gurung, Linda Fargo, or Dana Kovaru Bess? Which designer received the Hall of Fame award at the 2024 Accessories Council Excellence Award? Fern Malice, Prabal Gurung, Linda, or Dana? And the correct answer is Fern Malice. Option A is the correct answer. यहाँ पर पूछा गया हॉल ऑफ फेम अवार्ड. दिस इज द अनदर कैटेगरी फॉर द फैशन अवार्ड. Who was honored with the Trailblazer Award at the Fashion Awards 2024? Remo Ruffini, Issa Rae, Tyler Mitchell, or Stephen Jones? Who was awarded with the Trailblazer Award at the Fashion Award 2024? And the correct answer is Remo Ruffini. Now this is the last question. You will be, answering the answer for the correct, you know, you will be answering the correct option for this question in the comment section. Now this is the last question, guys. I want you all to please let us know in the comment section which is the correct answer, which is the correct option to this question. Which designer won the British Accessories Brand Award at the Fashion Award 2024? Question options are कौन सा डिजाइनर किस डिजाइनर ने जीता था ब्रिटिश एसेसरी ब्रांड अवार्ड फैशन अवार्ड्स 2024 में? और ऑप्शंस हैं स्टीफन जॉन्स, सिमोन रोचा, जोनाथन एंडरसन और ग्रेस वेल्स बॉनर. Please let me know the correct option in the comment section. Okay? मुझे comment section में अपना correct option बताइए. So guys, this was all about fashion awards. I hope you I hope you liked the video. So guys, this was all about fashion awards. I hope the video was informative. If you liked it, please share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in the next video. And also let us know which video you want us to make next in the comment section.